Hello there everyone, this is Himmat and today I will show you how we can calculate the running time of an algorithm. And so the purpose of this video is to help the student from my college and my juniors as they suggested me to start something like this, and also as for my personal development as well. So the term complexity becomes very crucial when it comes to big data and machine learning. At the time you will be working on a large amount of data. So the term. So let's get started with our first example. So let's get on here. In this example, we have one for loop over here, and then in that for loop we have a while loop. So what we want is we want to calculate the running time complexity of that program. So here n is 2 to the power 2 to the power k. So the value of n is depending on the value of k. So when value of k will 1, n will be 4, because the value of n is 2 to the power 2 to the power k. And when we enter into the for loop, j will becomes to 2 from 1, because it initialized to 1 over here, and then it when we entered into the for loop it will become to 2, and then we entered into the while loop, then j will become to, because j is equals to j square, so it will become to 4 now. And this print statement will invoke to 2 times, because when first time when the value of j will be 2, and then again when the value of j will become to 4. So totally 2 times this print statement will invoke, but the outer for loop will invoke to n time. So totally so totally 4 into 2 times this statement will invoke when n will be 16, because n will be 16, and then j value will be 2 over here, and then j value will become to 4 now. Okay, and so for value of n, for n 16, this for loop will be invoked to 3 times, because first time when the value of j will be 2, second time the value of j will be 4, and the third time when the value of j will be 16. So totally 3 times this statement will invoke, and this outer for loop will invoke to n time, that means 16 times. So totally 16 into 3 times this statement will invoke. If we generalize this problem, the print statement is depending on the value of k, because it's a k plus 1. K is 1 over here, and then 2 times this statement will invoke, and when the value of k will become to 2, it becomes to 3 for the inner loop. So program will be, so if you observe this, the time complexity of this program is to n k plus 1. So but we don't want k over here, we want only this equation in terms of n. So we can substitute the value of k from over here, because from over here. So it's a simple mathematics. Take the log from the both side, and then log base 2 becomes 1, and it remains it becomes 2 to the power k. Again we take log base 2 both the side, log base 2 both the side, and this will become to 1, this will become to 1, and then it remains the k. So the value of k will become over here is log n, and then we multiplied n in brackets, then we multiplied from n. So the complexity will become n log log n. So the total time complexity of that program will be n log log n. It's a quick video, and in the next video I will try to upload more videos on the complexity, and we will solve some problems, and then we analyze the problem in terms of complexity, and then we will try to reduce the complexity of that program.